Guys, good evening. It's Gabriel Udio here again, and this video is just a short video. It's going to be on how to. Oh, I don't know how short or how long it's going to be. But anyway, this video is going to be on creating your GitHub account. So, before we touch anything, let me just let you know why this matters, especially if you do not have a GitHub account already. Now, the thing is, GitHub is basically the world's largest hub for projects like the ones we just built. Like that was the very last project. And by the way, if you've not seen that project yet, you can check out our projects playlist on our YouTube channel, and you see the projects there. If you're a beginner, it's great to just follow through. It could be a way to whet your appetite, and if you are already a pro, then it could be a project that you might just want to add to your portfolio and all. So whenever someone, maybe a recruiter or a potential client or another analyst wants to know if you can actually do the things you say you can do, GitHub is right where they check. So it's proof. It's not just a certificate, it's not a claim on your CV, but it's an actual working proof. So every project we build together on this channel is going to end up on GitHub. So we are going to start this video. We are going to start by taking our AutoPipeline projects to GitHub. So in order to get started, just go to your browser and find github.com. I'll be canceling all that because I want to see a few things. So let's see. Oh, okay, yeah. Thought my network was bad for a second. Right, so I think I'm just going to oh, it's logged me. This, oh sorry, this is my account. So I'm just going to log out of this one, and then I'm going to try to try to create a new account. Let me see. It should be able to log out down here. Should be able to log out. Let's see. Okay, yeah, sign out. So I'm just going to sign out of this one, and we'll walk through signing in. So yeah, sign out from all accounts. All right, so let's get started. I haven't created an account on for data playground before, so I'm just going to use that as an instance here in this video for you. So of course, I'm just going to enter our mail, see data playground at gmail.com. Yeah, tdataplayground at gmail.com. Sign up for GitHub. Oh, wow. So I would need to enter a password, right? So I hope it does see this password. Okay, yeah, you're not going to see the password anyway. So what password would I use? Okay. Yep. Yeah, that should be it. I was going to do data uh cannot begin or end with a hyphen. Data playground. Yep. So I think that will be that. Enter your country or region. Yeah, I'm currently in Nigeria. By the way, just in case you are looking for me, I just want to let you know I'm in Nigeria at the moment. So I think that's all. Just going to click create account. That username may only contain alphanumeric characters or single hyphen and cannot begin or end with okay, maybe I'll just do this instead. Username data playground is not available. Why? Ah, okay. I guess I know what to do. See data playground. Yeah, that's that. So we're just going to create an account and save your password. Yeah, save. So I'm supposed to let me see. Okay, I'll just enter my code. Let's see, 2521238. No, not two. Oh no, man. Okay, your account was created successfully. Anyway, sign in. So now we've successfully created a new account for ourselves, and the next thing we're going to try to do is to create a repository. So we're just going to move forward. So now, first of all, I would like to let you know what a repo is. A repo is just simply like a project folder on GitHub. Every project you build gets its own repo. So we are just going to create one for AutoPipeline. So you can see this place here. We have create repository. So we are just going to create a new repository there, and we are supposed to give it a name. So let's see. So repository name, let's give it something. I made a copy of a few stuff. Yeah, I was going to give it this repository name. I'm just going to copy it and I'm going to paste it here. And for my description, I'm just going to take this here and just maybe place it here. Control C and Control V. Yeah. So analyzing. I don't know. Uh, Analyzing is spelled as ANALYZING, or is it S? Maybe, I don't know. Spelling differences. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know. So anyway, let's continue. Choose visibility. Yeah, visibility should be public. Yeah, turn on README so we can be able to add little READMEs and stuff that we want to talk about there. No git ignore, and no license for now. So create repository. Um so moving forward, let's just try to let's try to write a simple readme. You can see this is a readme. So to do that, we just come to this edit. This edit that we're just going to click this edit pencil that's here, and from here we can easily add anything I want to add on this document. So let's see. I was going to say, I think, okay, auto pipeline is a real blah blah blah, just stories that are there. So I think I'll just give a little space here and then push this inside here. And I'll add the tools that were used also as part of the readme. Tools used, I think I'll just push this here. And then the very last thing, I like to talk about the research questions. So here are the 5 research questions this project was built to answer. So I'll just push that there, and then okay, I think it would be nice to add a link to the live dashboard that we built in Lucas Studio. So to do that, I think I'll just to be nice for us to just visit Lucas Studio. So lucasstudio.google.com. Let's see. So we're just going to leave that project that we did. I'm just going to drop the link to it as part of the README file. So I think it was this one. Yeah, it was this one. So, and I didn't even name it. I forgot to name it. So I think it would be nice to just name this Control C. I shouldn't be wearing untitled reports here. So I think I will click the edit and then try to rename it here. Yeah, that's that. So view, yeah, looks much better now. So I'm going to just copy the link, and it's already set to public, so that's okay. So I'm just going to go back to GitHub here, and then I'm going to say link to the live dashboard can be found here. All right, so that's that. Next thing you can do is to just commit the changes. Yeah, so um nothing much. Commit message. Let's leave this for now and just commit changes. So it's saving, and when it's done, the next thing that we're going to try to do is to just upload our project files. So we're going to just try to upload our project files. And how do we upload our project files? First, let's come to this point here. See, can you see that plus sign that we had there? This plus sign that we had here. So we are just going to let's see. So I think, you know what, I'm coming. Let's go back here. Yep. How do I upload files again? I'm trying to remember how to upload files again. I'm so sorry. I do forget a few of these stuffs. Oh yeah, this plus sign. So I'm going to just upload files here. I'm going to click this and choose your files that you want to upload. So I'm just going to, yeah, I think I'll just go to where I had the projects here and projects automated. I think it would be nice to just ah where did I keep the I'm seriously trying to remember. I'm not sure if I downloaded the the text document, so I might have to visit my drive. So drive. I have to just visit my drive and maybe probably download the file from there. Oh, I think I did earlier today. I have so many things on my mind, so I think I did that earlier today. So I'm just going to go to downloads and could it be? Yeah, I think it should be this. Is it this? Is it this? Automate projects. Is it this? I can't remember. Okay, it should be this. It's just this app script. I think it should. Yeah, app script.txt. That's the file that is there. So I think that's all. I'm just going to add there and I think I'll just click commit changes and for now I think that would be all on this. Yeah, should be all on it and that'll be all. So I have my text file there that contains the app scripts that we wrote and then here is the readme file. But I'm still trying to I saw something here I would like to explore in this video. So permit me to explore in this video and let's see what we can actually have from this stuff that's here. Oh, my network is really slow just because I want to explore. Or better still, I'll just I think I should forfeit it. So anyway, a couple of quick things. Oh, it has loaded. A couple of quick things anyway that would make a real difference here on your GitHub profile page, not the repo, your actual profile. You can click edit profile and like if you come here to where you have your profile here. I'm coming. I'm trying to. How do I edit my profile again? How do I do this? I'm trying to how do I okay yeah on your profile page here, so you can edit your profile here. For example, you can change your the image that you use. You can set your name. You can feel free to explore bio and whatsoever. Maybe I should add a few things. Maybe something simple like maybe data analyst say building real world projects. What else? Okay, let me just say real world data projects. PROJECTS. What else would I like to add? Okay, maybe I'll just say data playground. Data playground. Yeah, I think that's nice. That's nice. Name, yeah, that's okay. Select a verified email to display. Yeah, I like my mail to display there. Yeah, I think I'd like to edit this profile picture to something more that looks a lot more like data playground. So I'm just going to leave this and just take a portion of it. I hope it works. Yeah, yeah, perfect. Oh wow! I was going to crop out the part that says Gabriel Udio. Yeah, because I'm not the only tutor here. Even though, yeah, for now this should do. For now this should do. Okay, but I guess it's too small. I guess it's too small. Is it? Is it too small? Is it? This should be fine. Yeah. Yeah, well, if it doesn't work, I'm just going to leave it like that for now. Anyway, you can always come back to your profile image, and for now, I'll just update profile, and I think I'll leave it as that for now. So So that's it. You have a real public professional project sitting on your GitHub profile, something you can link directly on your CV, your LinkedIn, and maybe anywhere else someone might be checking whether you can actually do this work. You can always link your profile. So please try to create your profile through this video, because it's going to become a regular habit on this channel. Every project we build together, we are always going to publish it this exact way. We're going to take it, every to always end up in our GitHub, so that you can also build your portfolio even as you are learning. So I'm going to send the link to my personal GitHub, not the data playground, my personal GitHub, Gabriel Audio. So you are going to see, other projects I've worked on. You might find them very interesting. I'm going to add the link to my GitHub in the description of this video, and I'm going to also, you check the description of the video, you see the link to our Telegram discussion group, so you can be a part of the growing community. So I think that will be all on this video, unless I want to still try and see about something about this text. I think there was something I was trying to do here. Uh, well, let's see. So I was going to enter something like, oh, wow. Let's see now. I think I'm so sorry. Sometimes I like to explore a few things. So this app script was a text document. So I'm just going to say Control A, Control C. I'm going to just upload it here, and then I think I'll just save this. I think we can actually save it like this. Maybe cleaning scripts. Cleaning scripts dot gs. Yeah, I think that's that. I'll just click commit changes here, and yeah, I think that's that. Okay, so for now we are done. So please try this try this and try this on your own and see what you have. Do ensure, oh wow, this is looking nice now. We look like standard programmers. Cool. So anyway, that's that on this video. Please feel free to try it on your own. Ensure you have your GitHub profile if you do not already have one, because like I said, henceforth on this channel, every project we build, we are always going to be uploading them to our GitHub. Once again, I remain Gabriel with you. Please do well to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel, Data Playground. See you in our next video.